In this video, I will show you how to make a leaderboard in Roblox Studio. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is download this model. So if you come across to roblox.com and you want to come up to the address bar and just enter this address into the address bar, and then what you can do is press the green get button. Now this is absolutely free and credit to Wheeze was taken for this model. And what you want to do is press onto the get now button to add this to your Roblox Studio. So once that's done, what you can now do is come back to your Roblox Studio. So next, what you want to do is open up your toolbox. So if you can't see that shown, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top, press onto View, and you're going to see an option for Toolbox. So go ahead and press onto that to open up the toolbox on the left hand side. And from here, what you're going to want to do, you're going to see some icons. You want to click onto the 4 cubes to open up your inventory. And once you've gone ahead and installed that, you can see that's now been added. So just click that to add this to your experience. If it comes up with a pop-up like this, just go ahead and press OK to add this to your experience. As you can see, that's now been added. Now what you need to do is come to the right hand side to the Explorer window. And as you can see, we've got the leaderboard here. Go ahead and press the arrow next to leaderboard. And the first thing you're going to want to do is delete the thumbnail camera. So just go ahead, click onto it and press delete on your keyboard. And what you want to do next after doing that is come down to where it says screen, click onto the arrow next to this, and you're going to see the script here. So first what you want to do is double click onto the script to open this up. And what you can now do is change this for your game. So if you come into the script and you're going to see underneath settings, this is where we can come to change the settings. So as you can see, it says coins. This is what's going to be displayed at the top of the leaderboard. Of course, the list size is going to display how many people are on the leaderboard. By default, this is set to 100. Update every is how often the leaderboard updates, so how many seconds. At the moment, this is set to update every 10 seconds. And the minimum requirement is the amount that you need to appear on the leaderboard. So you can go ahead and change it from here. And once you're happy, you can just go ahead and close the script down. And as you can see, this is now in our studio. Before you go ahead and test this, make sure the API services is enabled in your game settings. And that is pretty much all there is to it. So that's how to go ahead and make a leaderboard in Roblox Studio. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.